Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we are creating a beautiful evening sky. This is what we will create in today's video. Now before I start, I would all request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. And of course, I hope you all have subscribed our channel Lux on the Trail. If not, do it right now. To create this beautiful evening sky, we require poster colors, brushes, water container, mixing palette and your rough cloths. So this is a very easy evening sky scene which we will create. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our new channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel and masti. Don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. I'm making a very simple landscape design for this. So just a few lines to create a beautiful scene. You can create any kind of an effect for your landscape. Just a few mountains. And these will be some shades in the sky. And in the sky we will create some clouds. Very simple drawing. And the whole effect will give with the poster colors. To create this evening sky, we'll use the shades of white and orange, and we will not make the typical sky like we used to make with yellow color or blue color. So it's like we will be creating a very different effect. So the rule goes the same. We will take out the orange color. So I have this fluorescent red color. So you can take fluorescent red or you can take an orange color for this to give this effect. So I've just taken out the color. Now what we'll do is we will be adding a lot of white in it to give a beautiful effect. I'm adding a pinch of orange color in it. So we'll first give the effect of the sky. I've also colored the clouds which I have created because later we'll use a very lighter tone to work on that. Now we'll add a pinch of orange color. I have added a pinch of orange color. Just to show that the sun has just set. The sun has just set. So we'll just give that effect. We can add a pinch of white color here. And we'll mix it. That's it. And we'll let it dry. Now for the rest of the areas, what we'll do is we will be adding the similar tones. We can even add a pinch of red color to it. And this will have more of orange in it. So if you remember, we have already learned how to do tints and shades. Now we are not creating tints and shades, but yes, of course, we are just changing little bit of shades to give a beautiful effect of the evening sky in our painting, and how the beautiful landscapes look. So just we are creating that effect. Now this is for the sky, and after the sky is dry, we will use a lighter tone of this to create the clouds, but that we'll do it later. Now what we'll do is we'll use a very contrasting color over here. So we will be using the shades of purple or the violet color for this. You can also take a Persian blue to give the effect. So whatever your desired color is, just take it out in the mixing palette. Now I'm using this purple color over here. We'll add a pinch of black in it to give a depth to our painting. Or you can also use a Persian blue color. So I'm just adding a Persian blue color in it. I'm not even adding the black color in it. And with a very thin brush, I'll make some trees on it. So let it get dry, and then we will create those trees on it. So we'll take the same color and we'll add some white color in it. See how beautifully the color changes. But we'll add some purple to it. So this is purple or violet, blue, and so I'm just changing some gradation by adding some blue to it. And for the front, what we'll do is we'll take the shades of Persian blue. So I'm taking the Persian blue directly. Again, Persian blue is a color which has a lot of tendency to get patches in it. So we can add either the black color in it or a pinch of white color in it. Now we have to wait for things to get dry, and then we will make some trees over here and also some clouds. So please wash your water before making a lighter tone. See, my water is in such a dark color, so what I need to do is I need to wash it, clean it, and take the fresh water, so that when I'm using the lighter tone in the sky, it doesn't spoil the whole painting. So cleaning your brushes and cleaning your water container is very, very important. Now what we will do is we will take the white color. So in the first color which we created, I have just taken a pinch and more of white. So it's not exactly the white color, but yes, of course, a very light tone. So we will create the clouds with this shade. Just very patiently, and you have to make sure that the bottom part is almost dry. Now we will take the black color and we'll make some birds in the sky. Before we make some birds, we can also make the trees. So first we'll make some trees. We have taken the Persian blue and the black color, and we will just create some trees. Just keep on adding some trees. We have to make sure that whatever color we are taking, the trees will be of the similar color. So if it is this color, then we will be making the trees with the similar color. Create some beautiful trees. We'll just add 1 or 2 birds to give the finishing effect to our painting. You can also use a thin marker to create this effect. So just 2-3 birds in the sky, and we will let it dry. And a simple evening sky painting is almost ready. I'll just remove these masking tapes so that you all can see how it will look.
So this is how it will look. You all can see the beautiful gradations in the evening sky. Do give it a try and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe. Bye everyone.